Now I hope that everyone can see this very clearly. Now understand this because I am going to explain in thorough detail to you. But before I move into journal, I want to know that whether it is clear or not on classification of accounts. Because until and unless you know the classification of accounts, you will not be able to move into journal. And the second thing which I am repeatedly telling you is to know the golden rules of accountancy by heart. So once again I am revising. The classification of accounts, there are two types. One is personal and one is impersonal. The impersonal has two parts. One is real account and one is nominal account. Real account deals with assets. Nominal account deals with expenses and losses and incomes and profits. Based on this theory, we are going to transfer the entries from normal entries into journal, following the three golden rules of accountancy, that is debit the receiver, whatever is received goes on the debit side, credit the giver, whatever is given goes on the credit side. Debit what comes in, whatever comes into the company goes into the debit side, whatever goes out of the company or the firm goes on the credit side. Anything to do with expenses and losses will go on the debit side. Anything to do with incomes and gains will go on the credit side. These two should be very, very clear to you. It is only then that you will be able to post the entries into journal. So I have repeated this many times. I have given you in Google form, in Edpuzzles for the last 1 month, entire November, we have been doing this. So make sure, I always told you that this is the fundamental rules, the fundamental base of starting your journal, ledger, trial balance and thereafter. So now, journal we draw like this. We make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. The first column is the date. The second column is the particulars. The third column is LF, that is ledger folio. I will come to that and explain it. The next is the debit column with an amount written and the credit column with the amount written. You can also write in bracket rupees here, rupees, rupees. Now, ledger folio, since we are in school and we are doing just journal entries, we do not need to put anything in this. You can always leave this blank in your examination also. But to tell you why this is for, in professional accounting, when a firm records this journal entry, wherever that entry is kept, in whichever file that voucher is kept or that entry is kept, that page number of that file or that book, that page number has to be put here. But you do not need to do that for your examinations now, because this is a journal entry for school. So the first entry which is given, I have given here 5 entries. I will explain all the 5 entries. Please understand this very, very carefully. Cash sales 6,000. Suppose I give you 5-10 entries like this in your exam. This is exactly what you are going to do while creating a journal. Understand this. First one, cash sales. That means what? Sales is what? Sales means I have sold something against which I have received cash. I have sold something, so I have received cash. If I have sold something, it's an income. Income according to the nominal account. Income is a nominal account. And when we get into the golden rules, income is credit. That means sales is a credit. sales will go on credit side and cash automatically will go on the debit side. You just have to find out one side. One side has to be correct. For example, your sales Devojit, purchase Yash, paid electricity, cash bank. There are always two aspects in an entry. Just get one aspect correct. The other aspect has to be on the other side. For example, in this, I have taken cash sales. Sales means I have sold something, I have got income. So income is nominal account. According to the golden rules, incomes is credit. So I have put sales under credit. Therefore, the opposite side will be in the debit. Now, how do we write this in the journal? Always debit is written first and credit is written in the second line. Debit always starts with to, TO2, and credit always starts with by. Therefore, I will write to cash account debit by sales account credit. But you do not have to write this credit. You can only write the debit side. So therefore, the amount is 6,000. Debit side will come 6,000 and credit side will also come 6,000. Both the sides need to tally. Suppose this journal is prepared for the month preparation of for December 2020. Therefore, this transaction has taken place on 1st December 2020. So, to cash account debit, by sales account credit. Why? Again I am explaining it. We have made sales, that means we have earned income. Income, nominal account goes into the credit side. To cash account debit, by sales account credit, 6,000, 6,000. Now, narration. You have to explain the transaction in a short form, that is a narration. Again I am repeating, you all have written in your exams, narration is narrating a story. Narration is a cricket commentary. But that repeatedly after telling you all also you all didn't understand. That narration is a brief explanation, is a short explanation on the transaction that we have written. So what we will write here? We will write being. Narration starts with being. Being goods sold by cash, bracket closed. I hope you understand this. Second one, for example, the second entry on 2nd December 2020. Sales to Devojit. Sales to Devojit. I have made sales to Devojit. Now whenever, remember one thing, whenever there is a name and cash is not mentioned, please understand that it is sold on credit. I will get the money sometime. I will get the money sometime. Not today, maybe after 1 month. Devojit has told me that, sir, I am giving you a check, post-dated check for 1st January. So I have not received the money. So it is on credit. I have sold to Devojit on credit. Devojit, personal account, name. Understand that very carefully. That sales to Devojit. Devojit is the receiver. Debit. And we have sold, but we have not got cash. So Devojit has received. We have sold to Devojit. Devojit has received. So when we go to golden rules, debit the receiver. So here Devojit is debit. So if Devojit is debit, the opposite side sales, it is credit. Just fix one aspect correct. The other one has to be on the opposite side. So therefore we will write here to Devojit account debit by sales account credit 2000. The third one, purchase made from Yash, credit purchase. It is not written here purchase by cash, it is written a name. So I have purchased from Yash. So purchase, debit the receiver, I have received, I have purchased from Yash. So if purchase is debit, then automatically the other side, Yash, will be credit. According to, again I am repeating, whenever there is a name, that means goods or services has been sold by credit, not by cash. If there is cash, cash will be mentioned. Therefore, purchase from Yash, purchase, I have purchased, I have received. Golden rules, back again to formula. Debit the receiver, Yash is the giver, credit the giver. Therefore, here we will write, this is on 3rd December 2020, to purchase account debit by Yash account credit. Credit you don't have to write. How much? 5,500 in the debit side, 5,500 in the credit side. Both has to tally. Third one, paid electricity. I have paid electricity bill. Expense, nominal account, expense, according to rule, debit, according to rule, debit. That means electricity I have definitely paid by cash. I can't pay by credit. You can't go and say to the electricity department that I am giving you the bill and I am going to pay you tomorrow, or I am going to pay. You can't do that. You have to pay immediately. So what has happened? Electricity I have paid is a expense. Therefore, expense, nominal account, expense, debit, electricity is debit. So if electricity is debit, what is credit? We are paid by cash. Cash is credit. Therefore, for example, this is 4th December 2020, to electricity account debit by cash account credit. You don't have to write credit. How much? 1,000 on the debit side, 1,000 on the credit side. Equal. Last one example. Cash deposited to bank, personal account, bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, name of a person, name of an institution, personal, as I told you. These two are the most important things for your journal ledger and trial balance. You should tattoo this on your head and never forget it in your entire life as long as you are doing accounting. So understand this. Bank has done what? Bank has received cash. I have deposited cash in the bank. Bank has received. Bank, personal account, received, receiver, debit side. So bank is debit. So if bank is debit, opposite side has to be credit. So cash is credit. Therefore, for example, this is 5th December 2020, to bank account debit by cash account. How much? 7,000. Now coming back If you forget, I have given you one example of narration. But if you do not write narration for each, you will get marks deducted. Therefore, what will be the narration for this? Sales to Devadip being goods sold to Devojit, purchased by Yash being goods purchased from Yash. Short explanation of the entry. Here, being electricity bill paid by cash. Here, being cash deposited in the bank. Every entry, again I am repeating, every entry should have a narration. Number one. Number two, find out by the classification of accounts and the rules, put any one aspect and see what is happening. Is it on the debit side or is it on the credit side? If one aspect is on the debit side, the other aspect has to be on the credit side. I hope I am giving you some time to see this. Now you have the video also. You can see this and you can. I will give you problems now. I am sending you problems on preparing journal entries, and you will do that and you will send it on the WhatsApp group, not individually. Please understand this. Do not send me individually. Send it in the group with your name and your class and your section mentioned on the top of the exercise book. If you are doing this in one exercise book, please write on top Devojit class 9 A, B, whatever, and you do your problem and send it in the group, not in my personal account, in my personal WhatsApp. Okay? I hope you understand this. We will practice more so that we get clear on this.